Our goal was to create new, bright, vibrant visual identity for the Hub 40 coworking in Kiev. We decided that we want to engage every resident in the project and create something native and special within the walls of the hub. To do this, we developed a questionnaire for the residents and asked them, "What was your favorite childhood toy?" We asked more. Name 3 items which you cannot leave the house without. Do you have some kind of mascot that helps maintain your confidence in difficult time? And then the magic happened. Collecting the answers, we developed a visual language that adapts and replenishes daily. After a complete renovation, we have a completely new look at the space. We wrote 60 pages of the brand book to help get acquainted with the company's mission and corporate identity rules.